Jynell Trail. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are a new viewer, go ahead and click that red subscribe button down below. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hi! So if you guys would like to see how I created this braided ponytail, continue watching. So the first thing you're going to be needing is your braiding here, and I'm going to be using the 4x mega pack free tress braiding here, and I'm only going to be using 2 from the 4-pack. So I'm using the Style Factor Edge Booster. You can use gel if you want, but the Style Factor is the only thing that gets my hair to look sleek. So I'm using the Style Factor Edge Booster. So now I'm just going to take my rat tail comb and I'm going to part my hair in 4 sections, and we all know when it comes on to natural hair we have to work in sections. So now I'm gonna start with my first section, and all I'm doing is just parting it and adding edge control to it and then brushing it back to meet with that first ponytail that I created in the center. And this is the best way to get your ponytail as sleek as possible. So now I'm just going to repeat those steps to the other 2 sections of my hair. So like I said before, all I'm doing is just parting the previous sections or the bigger sections into smaller sections, adding edge control to that and brushing it up or combing it up to meet the first ponytail that I created in the middle. And not to worry, your hair won't get greasy and fall down. This edge control is by far the best, and it will hold your hair in place for hours, for days, sis. And this is what my hair looks like after I've finished all sections. So now I'm gonna go in with my soft bristled brush and I'm gonna brush that up, and then I'm gonna add an elastic band to the end of that. So after I've had the elastic band to that, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna use my silk scarf and I'm gonna tie that down for 10 minutes. So in the meantime, while my ponytail is drying, I'm gonna go ahead and create the braid to go on top of the ponytail. So because I didn't have any help, I decided to use the doorknob. Yes, the doorknob. I'm just gonna go ahead and start braiding the extension, and as I go along, I'm gonna be adding a little bit more extension to the braid. So once I finish braiding the hair, I'm gonna go ahead and secure that with a rubber band. So now that my hair is dried, I'm gonna go ahead and apply my braid to my ponytail, and I'm just showing you guys how sleek my hair looks. So now I'm gonna secure the braid with some hairpins or bobby pins. And guys, don't mind the color of the rubber band, just continue watching. So now I'm gonna take a small piece of the braiding here, and I'm gonna create another braid with it to wrap around the base of the braid or the ponytail. So this is a small braid that I created, and I'm gonna add a bobby pin to the end of that, and I'm gonna wrap that around. As I said before, I'm gonna wrap that around the base of the ponytail. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do my edges. So now I'm gonna add some ear accessories to my hair just to give it a little bit of kick, or you know, give it a little spice. Yep. And this is the finished look, you guys. This is super easy. This can be done in less than 30 minutes, I promise you. And yeah, this is it. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, drop a comment, turn your post notification bell on, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.